the 2007 Nissan Frontier. This four-door, five-passenger truck has not yet reached the 100,000-mile mark. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 4-liter six-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Nissan are offered, including a trip computer, a rear step bumper, a bedliner, and one-touch window functionality. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.